the best Forex robot scalper. Friends, you should know this. By buying this robot, you support Ukrainian programmers who are now forced to fight against Putin's aggression. Putin is fucking waging war against Ukraine. But we still continue to make products for you. This robot is able to bring up to 120 profit per annum. The difference between the results in the tester and in real trading is insignificant. If in the tester the robot shows from 150 to 200% of the profit per year, in real trading the robot brings about 120% of the profit. This is due to the fact that the spread in the tester is fixed, while in real trading it is floating. But this robot is able to bring in real trading up to 120% profit, and you can test it in the tester before buying. Good luck to you. Putin is dead.